All right, looks like we are set. It's a cold, windy, very blustery day today. See the trees blowing. I think 45-mile-an-hour winds today, but I just finished loading up the trailer. So it looks like here I come. I'm gonna head to North Carolina, Gastonia, North Carolina tomorrow to pick up my brother, and then he's gonna go down with us. However, the new employee that is supposed to start tomorrow, I have not heard a word from him. He's supposed to go with us, and been trying to get a hold of him all day. Haven't heard a word from him. So it looks like it's possible that I could be making this trip solo, or Melissa, as you guys all know, she doesn't come back till the beginning of April, but she is on standby just in case the new guy decides to be a no-show, which is exactly what it's looking like right now. But who knows? We'll see. I guess you can find out tomorrow when I make a video tomorrow when we get to Gastonia. So, all right, well, we're all ready to go. We'll be, should be in Cocoa Beach sometime late Monday afternoon. And I'm getting ready to head out of here to Gastonia, North Carolina. All right, from the Tiki Kev shop. See you guys on the road. Tiki Kev out.